Okay. Ball position, Barangay Rizal. Abilanao, haras by Torrecampo. Wala, rebound by Makilang. Makilang now. 15 seconds to shoot. Banzuela, tumigara ng 3. Wala. Rebound by Akaso. Akaso now, slowly dribbling. Pass to Marcaida. Marcaida, toma na serial. 2 puntos. Makilang to Magagliano. Magagliano now. To Makilang, bumitaw ng 3. Yes, go. 3 points. Score 4 against 2. And favor Barangay Olisihan. 15 seconds to shoot. Abilanao, harap sa Magagliano. Abilanao, Di Guzman. Reverse, wala. Interception, jump ball. Ball position, Olisihan. Makilang. Aras de Morasterial. 15 seconds to shoot. Tomigada, Torrecampo. Wala. Pegriba by Akaso. Akaso na. To Marcaida. Marcaida. To Akaso. Tomigada. Wala. Reba by Abila. Abila. Wala pa rin. Timpla. Merong foul. Number 6. Abila, first personal foul, Abila. First team foul, Rizal. Interception, Marcaida. Morasterial, to Marcaida, mayroong foul. 47, Magagliano. First personal foul, Magagliano. First team foul. First try. No good. He can try of Marcaida. Shot coming. Three against 4 is account and favor Olisihan. Magagliano, Pamakilang, bumitaw ng 3. Yes, sir! 15 seconds to shoot. Marcaida now, bumawi. Wala. Rebound by Torrecampo. Torrecampo na, to Magagliano. Pass to Magagliano. Back to Magagliano. Makilang, Tomigada. Rebound by Akaso. Akaso to Marcaida. Long pass to Di Guzman. Di Guzman out. Power move. 2 points. 5 against 7 in favor Olisihan. Remaining time 4 minutes and 35 seconds. Magagliano now. Haras by Marcaida. 15 seconds to shoot. To Timpla. Timpla. Power move. Mayroong foul. Foul by number 2, Akaso. Rizal. First personal foul, second team foul, Barangay Rizal. Shot clock, Risito 14. First try. 1 point. 8 against 5 is the count. Last throw. Kompleto. Marcaida now. Intercepted. Makilang. Mayroong foul. Foul number